Hey there, sandwich lovers. Today I'm going to share my insider secrets on crafting the ultimate Subway-style sandwich that'll make your taste buds dance. Trust me, after working at a sandwich shop for years, I've learned all the tricks to make these babies perfect. First things first, let's talk about the foundation, the bread. You want to choose a fresh roll that's slightly crusty on the outside but soft and fluffy on the inside. Pro tip, give it a gentle squeeze. If it bounces back, you've got yourself a winner. Now here's something most people get wrong, layering. The order of your ingredients matters more than you'd think. Start with your proteins, but here's the game changer. Instead of piling them in the middle, create a slight overlap with each slice, working your way from end to end. This ensures every bite has the perfect amount of meat. Let's talk cheese, and this is where it gets interesting. Place your cheese slices at alternating angles. This creates pockets where your sauces and seasonings can nestle in, giving you an explosion of flavor in every bite. For vegetables, there's actually a strategic approach. Start with lettuce as your base layer on top of the cheese. Then alternate between your crispy veggies like cucumbers and bell peppers, and your softer ones like tomatoes and onions. This creates the perfect texture balance. Here's a secret that'll change your sandwich game forever. The W technique for sauce application. Instead of straight lines, apply your sauce in a W pattern. This ensures even distribution and prevents those disappointing dry spots. And now, the final touch that most people skip, seasoning. Don't just sprinkle it on top, season as you build each layer. A little salt, pepper, and oregano go a long way in elevating your sandwich from good to absolutely incredible. Before you wrap it up, here's my signature move. Give the sandwich a gentle press with your palms. This helps all the flavors meld together and makes it easier to eat without everything falling apart. Last but not least, if you're not eating it right away, wrap it in wax paper first, then aluminum foil. This keeps your bread from getting soggy while maintaining that perfect temperature. Remember, making a great sandwich is an art form. Take your time, show some love to each ingredient, and most importantly, don't be afraid to experiment with different combinations. Before you know it, you'll be making sandwiches that would make any Subway artist proud.